Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my channel The Food Mile. On the eve of Ram Navami, let's make this uncommon nutritious Makhaane ki kheer. This sweet turns out like Rabdi in texture. Isn't that great? Let's begin. Roasting makhanas makes them flavorful. So, in a wok with a half teaspoon of ghee, add 2 and a quarter cup of makhanas. Let the flame be low and roast them until it becomes fragrant. They have cooled down now. Let's crush them coarsely. For crushing, I'm using a Ziploc bag. Transfer the makhanas into the bag, leaving a few, and crush them partially with the help of a masher or a chapati roller. Now, in the same wok, add the crushed makhanas and the whole ones too. Add 4.5 cups of cow's milk. Stir and let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. Many of us like the flaky rubbery texture in kheer and some don't. If you wish to enjoy those creamy flakes, don't stir often. Let it cook in low flame. Stirring often prevents the formation of flakes. In between, add half a cup of grated fresh coconut. This will add a slight crunchiness to the kheer. Time to add milk maid, around half a cup. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. Here you can see the perfect creamy flakes. Kheer and no cardamom, not possible. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, few strands of saffron and around 5 chopped almonds. Super simple, super yummy kheer is ready. Stay healthy and make this Makhaane ki kheer and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do subscribe to my channel for more unique recipes. Thank you. Take care. Bye.